Hi, this is Jensen with Bidets Plus, and today we'll be reviewing the TOTO C200. The C200 is an entry-level TOTO washlet, but still has most of the features you'd look for in a modern bidet seat. In this frame, you can see a small silver decal towards the top of the picture, which is stamped with the TOTO Washlet logo. To the right of the logo, there is an indicator panel with 4 LED lights. These lights are for power, seat temperature, water temperature, and the energy-saving mode. The C200 has a simple look, with slightly rounded corners as you look around the edges of the lid. There's also the remote control sensor receiver, which is the black rectangle you see towards the upper right corner of the unit. The TOTO C200 measures 7 inches high at its tallest point in the rear. This larger size helps accommodate the reservoir tank type heating system inside the bidet. To compare, the higher-end TOTO S350E uses a more compact tankless water heating system, which results in a product that is just under 4 inches tall. The TOTO C200 is operated with the wireless remote control. On the front, you'll find buttons for rear wash, feminine wash, and the air drying. Buttons on the side activate the oscillate and water pulse functions and also adjust water pressure and the position of the spray. An LCD screen on the back helps with adjusting water temperature, as well as for adjusting other settings on your washlet. The washlet works with a single nozzle system with multiple spray outlets at the tip of the nozzle. First, we'll demonstrate the feminine wash, which uses the spray outlet that's furthest forward. Next, we'll demonstrate the rear wash feature, which utilizes a spray outlet higher up. You can adjust the position of the spray more forward or more backward to get the best coverage for your body. These adjustments can be made on the remote control. Now, we're demonstrating the oscillate feature, which moves the nozzle back and forth, extending the cleaning area. The warm air dryer will help with residual moisture after your wash. The washlet also features a slow closing seat and lid. Additional features include a heated toilet seat, which is great to have during the winter months. During the summer, you can simply turn this feature off. There's also a self-rinsing feature, which rinses the nozzle with water before and after each use. A power-saving eco mode and a built-in air deodorizer round out the rest of the main features you'll find in this seat. Thanks for watching this Bidets Plus video review featuring the TOTO C200 washlet. You can also read our full write-up on this model in the bidet review section on bidetsplus.com.